So the tool I chose to use is Quizlet. Sorry, here it is. So Quizlet's a great tool for teachers to use. It allows them to create review, like a study guide almost online. Really easy to make flashcards that students can review online. You can create exams that the students can complete on Quizlet, so they can do that on their own time. So the first thing to do is you create a class. So I'll just put the name of our class, Technology and Digital Literacy. You can put a description, so whatever unit we're on. So I'll just put Cool Tool. And then here, you can allow your students to add to the review, or you can just leave it like that. So here I already put University of La Verne, and you can create that class. So now you can add members by sharing the link. They join the link, or they click on the link and join the class. So as far as creating a review, I already created one here. So I just did Civil War. I'm not a history buff, but it was easy just to demonstrate. So here are some flashcards. So I just made 5. So here, what year did the Civil War begin? Students can click on the flashcard and the answer will be on the other side. So here, click on it, 1861. So I made 5 of these. What year did the Civil War end? Click on it, 1865. These are obviously really basic. Who was president during the Civil War? Abraham Lincoln. So you can create as many flashcards as you would like, and students can go ahead and review. So to create these flashcards, you can click on the class, add set. So this is my set I already have. Create a new set. And here you go. So you can type in the subject, the chapter, the unit, whatever it may be. And here is how you create the flashcards. So whatever term you want to put on the front of the flashcard, you type it here. Put the definition. You can upload images so the students have a visual to it. And they have a minimum of 5, but you can add as many as you want here. So you can have 30, 40, whatever you need to do. You can choose your language. So obviously for us, it would be English. And yeah, so another great thing about Quizlet, I'm going to go back to the set I already made. Students can write in the answer. You can have it play audio. So students that, I don't know, might have a visual impairment, they can or have trouble reading, like ELL students, they can listen. Or you can click on test, and you can have written questions, multiple choice questions, and then you can check your answers. So what year did the Civil War begin? 1861. What was the bloodiest battle of the Civil War? Gettysburg. Who was president? Abraham Lincoln. True, false questions. Who won the Civil War? The North. What year did the Civil War end? 1865. True or false? And then you can check your answers. It says I got 80%, and it tells you why. Here, this was the Battle of the Gettysburg. I just wrote Gettysburg, so it marked it wrong. But students can then check their answers and see how they're doing. Obviously, most units and subjects going to have more than 5 flashcards. So for a unit, you have a test coming up, you make 30 flashcards. Students can go ahead on their own time and outside of the class, go online, go on Quizlet, and review for the exam. This is just the free version. You can upgrade. I haven't done that yet, so I just have the most basic version of Quizlet. So yeah, that's Quizlet. Great tool for teachers to use so students can review. And yeah, that's it.